Hello everyone, welcome back to another video by Dutch Paper Girl. Notice the folded side is on the left. The closed and two folded sides are on top and on the left. In case you're wondering of who the designer is of this beautiful star, I don't know. I saw an instruction video, a Russian video on Facebook, and I thought, well, I can do better than that, and that's why I decided to make this video. On this side you created two flaps. And on the other side, here, you've created two pockets. Put your 8 different colors in the order you want in your star. Now lay aside the second, 4th, 6th and last part. Don't change the order and put the remaining 4 parts like this. The 4 parts laying in the square will form the first layer. The 4 parts I put aside will make the second layer. Notice that I put the flaps pointing to the middle. This is the second color that has to come in between the red and the yellow one. Insert the red flap into the left pocket and insert the yellow flap into the right pocket of the orange part. And that's it in all the assembling, every time the same. Mind you, in this video I will show you first an attempt without using any glue. And the end result wasn't that bad, but it wasn't that sturdy. So later on in this video I will show you the one I made with using glue, and well, that one doesn't fall apart. So even though I'm showing you in this stage without using glue, it will tell you how to put the colors together. If you want to glue it or not, that's up to you. That's the 2 different layers that will be in the construction tower done. And now you will continue with the 4 colors you see in the bottom. So red will get on the red corner, yellow on the yellow corner, etc. The result of constructing the star without glue. Notice the big hole in the middle. And furthermore, the star wobbles when you rotate it. Notice how flexible the tower was without glue. I do like the caterpillar shape and how the colors work. Really organic. Very important, if you use glue, put it as I show it, on the outside of the flap. Otherwise your star will not have the room to move later on. Would be a waste of time folding for about 5 hours, making modules. And here it is. I like a small hole in the middle and it's very sturdy. Now I won't be afraid someone who's eager to give it a go will ruin it. I hope you love it, like I do. I'm interested to know what will happen if you assemble the colors in a way they will give you an oblique line in the star. Let me know if you give it a go. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have fun.